Welcome back, gorgeous. Today I'm dropping an ultimate 10-step professional home facial that gives you instant jaw-dropping results in just one wash. You must be wondering why to do a home facial when there are professionals available. Because your skin deserves spa level luxury without the spa level price tag and that scary chemical reactions. And the best part, your glow actually gets better and brighter by tomorrow morning. And trust me, no harsh chemicals, no breakouts, and absolutely zero budget. In this video, I have tried to mention each and every step very clearly and in a simple language so that it is easily communicated. I really hope this video will turn very useful for you all. I'm very curious to know the results when you will try this. So please do share with me all the comments. Before you will skip this part and jump on the tutorial, I really want you to know an exciting thing about this video. All ingredients which I have used in this video is pure and natural, and most of the ingredients you will get in your kitchen itself. So, are you excited to try this out? And come on, let's get comfy and let's get glowing. made up of almond and milk, so it is very soothing on your skin. I'm not using any harsh chemical in this facial, and I really request you all to please follow each and every step the way I'm showing you to get that amazing result in just one wash. People might think it's very difficult to get result in one wash, but trust me, this facial will give you a very promising results. Make sure you're applying evenly over all your face. This cleansing step ensures that all your dirt and sweat is removed from the skin. Now you can wash this off with plain water, or you can use wet cotton. If you don't have almonds, then don't worry, you can use only raw milk to clean your face, and it's equally effective, trust me. You can add little water. It's actually very rough, so be gentle. It is very good in removing the dead skin cells. Apply this also in circular motion. Just increase the pressure where you have blackheads and whiteheads. It's generally around your nose and your upper chin area. Just repeat this process for 2-3 minutes more, and then you can wash it off using plain water. The steam step, please make sure you will wash the face after this step, because tomato juice contains citric acid, and if you leave the tomato juice on your face and then take the steam, then there are chances that it can burn your skin and can irritate. So please make sure you wash your face very nicely with water. Plain water is fine, and then we'll move towards taking the steam. So I'm using a facial steamer. You can use any simple bowl. I'm adding few drops of lavender essential oil in the aroma bucket. Please try yourself and tell me in the comments how it goes.